The hearing in the appeals of Governor Aminu Tambuwal, Abdullahi Ganduje, and 4 other governors at the Supreme Court drew so many supporters to the extent that the court had to adjourn briefly because of the inability of security operatives to control the noisy crowd of supporters. On resumption, lawyers in the appeal involving Governor Abdullahi Ganduje of Kano State announced appearances, but before adopting their briefs of argument, the court had to adjourn abruptly due to a member of the panel who fell ill. The registrar later announced the adjournment of all the 6 appeals to Tuesday, the 14th of January 2020.
As you can see,
the lawyer to the Benue State chapter of the People's Democratic Party expresses confidence that the panel will hear the appeals at the next adjourned date.
The cases could not be heard today, but they've all been adjourned to tomorrow. We'll all be here tomorrow to continue with the proceedings.
Chief Michael Zekome, the counsel to retired General Jeremiah Oseni, an appellant challenging the election of Governor Simon Lalong of Plateau State, expresses concern that the justices of the Supreme Court are overburdened and believes there is a need to constitute multiple panels to determine election appeals.
It's quite unfortunate the way the Supreme Court is burdened for the apex court of the land to have 13 appeals in one day, and all of them on very high-profile political cases, which is why the Supreme Court has been brimming with people from all nooks and crannies in Nigeria. My first suggestion is that the Supreme Court, which currently has about 15 to 16 justices, should be complemented by the full panel.
Outside the court premises, the situation becomes rowdy as supporters of some politicians attack the aides of a former governor of Bauchi State who is an appellant in one of the appeals. Last week, the Apex Court heard the governorship appeals from Abia, Taraba, Delta and Niger states and affirmed the elections of the governors of these states.